right. The good technician here is fixing our dryer. What did you change again?
The heating element.
The heating element. So he changed the heating element. Right over there. He is the expert. Okay.
Yeah, all set.
Perfect. In a few minutes, we're gonna test it. All right. Okay. This is the old part of the dryer. Now it's being tested now. Okay, looks like it's working, but we need to test the heat. There's a heat, and it should be okay. Oh, okay. Let's see.
I'm gonna run it longer.
Yeah, yep, longer. Yeah, let's try that longer.
Yeah, you can smell it burning off and stuff like that, but that's normal.
Okay.
That's just they put like a protective like film on there.
Right.
So it just had to burn off and everything.
Okay.
All right.
So 20 minutes. Okay, 20 minutes test. Okay. All right. That was quick. Man, you're the expert, you know.
Thank you.
With your experience, sure. You're the man. You're the man.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Thank you so much. Now we can use it.
Sorry it took me so long.
No, that's fine. I totally understand.
Yeah.
And sometimes it happens, right? Your schedules too, you know. You have a tough schedule today.
Yeah, this is the last
All right. Let me try it again. Yep. All right, it's working well. All right.